In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your cabin air filter on this Toyota Camry. It's located behind your glove box, so let's get started. The first step is going to be to open up your glove box and empty out what's in here so that we can get to that door that's right at the back of it. There's going to be a latch right over here. Pry on that and remove this whole door. Behind that, there is another door that has two latches, one on each side. Take this out. That will expose our cabin air filter. To take this out, you can grab a little pick and hook onto it, or just stick your finger in here and pull it out. When you remove it, make sure it's not stuffed with debris. I've seen it to where it won't even come out because it's so full. If that's the case, start vacuuming as you take this out so that minimal stuff falls into the blower motor, which sits right underneath. This one's in okay condition, so remove it. Take note of which direction it went. It has these pads on both front and back, not on the side. This one is not directional as for the airflow, so I can put it in either direction as long as the padded section is in the back and in the front. Slide the new cabin air filter in place, make sure it's bottomed out. Now take the little door to cover up the cabin air filter. This does say up on it, so that's how you know which direction it goes. Once you get it lined up, press it until it clicks. Then take the other door. It has a couple hooks on the end here. That needs to latch in. Make sure that clicks. Put the contents of your glove box back in here and close it up.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.